Just wanted you to see what you're missing if you're not in New England. We have 40 to 60 mile an hour winds, and it's been snowing since 8 a.m. and we've probably got, man, I want to say probably 12 inches. We're supposed to get anywhere from 10 to 14, but it's nasty out. The wind is terrible. It's blowing wicked hard. The snow, I don't know if you can see how fast the snow's moving just from the wind. But yeah, if you're somebody that's down south, never move here, because we've had 10 days of, we're in a deep freeze. We've had 10 days below 30, and those 10 days have been actually below 10, and with the wind chill below 0 most days, and it's coming back tomorrow for a bunch more days. So yep, don't move to New England.